In darkness I lingered mid doubt and despair, since bondage long held me a captive to care. But Jesus delivered my soul from its chains. His precious blood cleansed me from sin's guilty stains. The world and its pleasures did tempt me to stray. I saw not the danger that lurked on the way. The toils closed around me, I knew no release. But Jesus has found me and given me his peace. Get right with God, his pardon is free. Get right with God, he's waiting for thee. Our Jesus is calling, oh come unto me. Take him, O sinner, and get right with God.
Yeah, I think my health is very important. I mean, I want to live a long life, so the healthier you are, I guess, the longer you can live, right? Honestly, I wouldn't even know how to answer that. Does God value your health? I'm not sure. Maybe he does, maybe he doesn't.
To me, my health is important to me, but at the same time, not as important as fast food, I guess. You know, like eating fast and being more convenient to me. It's hard to juggle the two, but overall, I'd like to think that it's important to me. Definitely think that God values my health and my well-being, and yep, I think he does. Okay, I definitely think that my health is important. It's something I think about every single day. It doesn't mean I always make the right decisions, but it's always in the back of my mind, and definitely something that I try and make the best decisions every day. The next one better than the last. I would say that God values health and how you take care of your body, because it's not just about appearances, but it's also a reflection of the type of person that you are. Valuing your health, you know, valuing yourself and your life and the life of others, because people often learn from others.
That for me, keeping health is very important. And for the God validates my health. Well, I've been more sick, so I would say just yes and no kind of thing. But health is very important.
Thank you, God, give me the good health. It's very, very important to me.
Good for me, because I do a lot of trainings and everything to keep in shape, and also to live longer with a better health and a better living style. And about God, I don't know. I don't believe in those things, so I don't think so, no.
Hello, my name is Sean Young, and I'm here to do a book review on Sheldine Altador's book, Healthy Digestion 101, The Emotion and Diet Connection. Well, what I'd like to say about this book is that it is truly a hidden gem. I really like the way how Sheldine ordered this book. It is simple to read, and what I really like is that it begins with her testimony. Because there's an old adage that says, who feels it knows it. And as Sheldine begins by sharing her testimony, the book further leads into talking about the gut and how it affects the mind and our emotional state. And me personally, I have experienced this firsthand. And I am actually been working with Sheldine to help me personally overcome my emotional gut issues. And this book is truly full of gems. It talks about depression, anxiety, emotional eating, and what I really love is that it gives us practical steps of overcoming these things. And not only is it a health book, what I really and truly love about it is that there is a spiritual component, because we may not think that diet and what we eat affects us spiritually, but there definitely is a spiritual connection that Sheldine definitely brings out in this book. I also like at the end of the book, she gives us practical steps, like I said before, of how to overcome that. She gives us healthier choices to make while eating, and not only healthier choices, she gives us a very good set of recipes at the end of the book to help jumpstart our progress, and also a way of tracking our progress. There's a self-assessment exercise and an accountability, it's called an accountability self-assessment exercise. So all these things helps us to jumpstart the process and to get us on a better road to better eating, better gut health, and better mental health. We see how a lot of people nowadays, especially now at this time, we're having a health crisis all over the world. And it's amazing that we may not even think about gut and mental health, but gut and what we put in there does affect our mental health big time. So I would definitely recommend that you search out this gem and reap the benefits of it. It is truly a blessing, both physically and spiritually and mentally. So you can't go wrong with this book. So this is my book review. I hope that you grab your copy. I got mine. And hit up Sheldine. She has a beautiful website, Restoration, and she's not only a book writer, but she also has different health talents that she can help you personally get on your way. She's, like I said before, she's personally working with me, and she has different health disciplines. That's what I'm trying to say. And she's personally working with me to get me back on track. So hit her up and just hope you get your copy and be blessed. That's my book review.
Get right with God, His pardon is free. Get right with God, He's waiting for is calling, oh, come unto me. Take him, O sin.